So with the Smart Pass keyless entry system, as long as you have the key fob on you, buried in your pocket or purse, you just put your hand through the handle, it's gonna unlock the car, and when you're done with your commute, you just hit the top ridges right there and that will lock the vehicle up. With the remote start system, all you do is simply hit the lock button 2 times in a row and the hold circular button down for a few seconds till you see the lights blink, then you can release it. And it will run, it will start up, it'll run for about 10 minutes and then shut off automatically for you. But the lights do blink 6 times in the front and the back to ensure that it was remote started. If you do want to do that exact pattern within that 10-minute run time, it'll set it to 20 minutes for you. So an advanced feature that I may not have gone over in one of my other videos, if you hit the unlock button and then the second time hold it down, it'll actually put the windows down and open up the sunroof for as long as you hold the button down. So all you do is hit the unlock button 1 time, and the second time hold it in. So that's going to put the windows down and open up the sunroof for as long as you hold this button down.